maybe harmonic. Find its conjugate and find its conjugate. Conjugate. This is the question. F value is this one. Okay. And we have to show that it is इसका conjugate find out करेंगे. And we have to
Yes,
show
sir.
the value of k. कितने चीज़ें करना है देखिए. We have to find out k value first of all. Then using that k value, we have to show that it is harmonic function. And after that, if we consider this is u value, then we have to find out v value, right?
Yes, sir.
So these many things we have to find out in this problem. बहुत सारे चीजें करना है. Let's start our work.
Yes, sir.
The solution is given f is equal to, I'm not writing f of x comma y, f is equal to x cube plus 3k x y square. Let me check the condition of harmonic function. What is that condition? We have to differentiate this one partially with respect to x. What is your answer? Tell me. 3x square. Yes or no?
Plus
Plus
3
3k
3x 2y.
square.
3kx 2y.
3k x becomes 1 into y square.
Oh, okay. X के उसमें कर रहा है ना अपन.
Respect to x. Now with respect to x twice, second time, we get 6x here and there is no more x, so no need. Now the same value we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. How? What happened here? You see, first term we don't get it. We get here 6k x y. Y square is 2y. So 3 to the 6. Now one more time it is dou square f by dou y square is equal to, with respect to y, one more time, we get 6k x. After this one, we have to check the condition of harmonic given. F is harmonic. F is harmonic. Maybe harmonic means harmonic only. Harmonic condition we use, that is implies that dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square is equal to 0. This is the meaning of the harmonic function, which implies that dou square f by dou x square value is 6x plus dou square, this is 6kx, is equal to 0. This implies if you take 6x common, we get 1 plus k is equal to 0. So 6x into 1 plus k is equal to 0. Since 6x will not be 0. If x is 0, then function will not be defined. This implies we say k plus 1 is equal to 0. K value is minus 1. So we got it, k value is minus 1. After that, this k value we have to plug in this f value and we call it as u. So what I want to tell you here is f is equal to, if you plug k value is minus here, we get x cube minus 3k x y square. Sorry, k value we got it already. So 3k is minus 1, so 3xy square. So for my convenience, I am going to call this one as u. U value is x cube minus 3xy square. Now I want to find out its complex conjugate. मतलब इसकी v की वैल्यू को अपन फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके ना? So v value means again construction part. construction of analytic function. The rule is we have to differentiate this u value partially with respect to x. We get our answer is 3x square minus 3y square. Now, x value, dou u by dou x, we have to find out at the point z comma 0. What happened here is we get it 3z square is our answer. And we don't get any y term. After this one, that same value. Tell me what is the next step? Dou u by
L.
with
Dou
respect-
u integral upon C, dou u by dou
no,
x.
no. We have to find out
फॉर्मूला नहीं डालते सर अभी
xy. Dou u by dou y at the point z comma 0. Work complete in our direct integrate कैसा करते? This is equal to 0. Now we can find out f of z here. It is the correct time to go for f of z now. For the f of z, we have a formula. What is that formula? Integral over c.
इंटीग्रल अपॉन
dou u by
C, dou u by dou x, z comma 0 dz
The
plus
point z comma 0 dz.
minus I integral upon C, dou u by dou y.
Integral over c. Dou u by at the point z
0,
comma 0 dz
z comma 0
plus c.
dz plus
And now if you continue this process, what happened here is this is equal to integral over c. First part answer, we got it as 3z square. 3z square dz. Now this part will be 0 because I into anything is 0. So finally, if I am integrating this one, 3z square integration is 3z cube by 3. So I can write answer is z cube only and then constant. So I got it. F of z, I got it. What is that? I got it. Tell me what I got it.
z cube plus C.
So we take only z cube, don't take c. C is only for adding the arbitrary constant. So here I can say our f of z is z cube. Z cube means I can say that z value is x plus I by. So this f of z is equal to it is x plus I by whole cube. X plus I by whole cube. A plus b whole cube we can apply a cube plus b cube. I cube value is minus I, so minus I y cube plus 3 a square into b and 3ab square. So minus 3x y square because I square value is minus 1. So if I am separating real and imaginary part, x cube minus 3x y square is your RP real part. And if you take plus I common, we get what we will get it 3x square y minus
3y square.
I outside now minus y cube. This is our f of z. So you can see our u is this only. This is our u value. And this is our v value. So if I ask what is the complex conjugate? Therefore, complex conjugate of u is equals to x cube minus 3xy square is v is equal to 3x square y minus y cube. And if you take this as v, And if you construct analytic function, you will get f of z is again this one. अगर आपको करना है आपके वेरिफिकेशन के लिए, you can do it. मैं तो यहाँ पे नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
एक ऐसा ही एक और क्वेश्चन लेंगे, उसके बाद ये टॉपिक को खत्म करेंगे. We take one more function in this way only. This is your second question. Same type of question. Prove that u is equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy minus 2x plus 3y is harmonic and find its complex conjugate and find its complex conjugate. This is your problem. So let's see how we are solving this. Same story will work here. I think take from here. First, I can prove that it is harmonic. And using the harmonic function, I can easily find out it's a complex conjugate. So, solution is u is equal to, we have given x square minus y square minus 2xy minus 2x plus 3. Find out dou u by dou x. कितने हुए अभी तक? प्रैक्टिस कर. अभी प्रैक्टिस ही चल. Dou u by dou x. Not close. Respect to x means 2x. There is no x, forget about it. X becomes 1 means 2y. X becomes 1 means minus 2. Now one more time. Dou square u by dou x square. It is 2 only. Comma. Dou u by dou y with respect to y is equal to minus 2y. And then it is minus 2x. And then it is plus 3. Now one more time. Dou square u by dou y square. It is minus 2 only. Now therefore, if you check the condition,
Yes,
dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. What happened here? Tell me what happened. 2 minus 2, it is
0.
equal to 0. Therefore, I can say that u is
Harmonic.
Now, after that, we take that u value, okay, and construction part we can go and we find out f of z. And using the f of z, we can easily go for harmonic. It is complex conjugate. So I will take it this one. U is equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy minus 2x plus 3y. So then let us work on it. We should go for its what? u with respect to x. Already we have done here the same story. 2x minus 2y minus 2. And now dou u by dou x value at the point z comma 0. We get to 2z here and minus 2. Here we'll write comma dou u by dou y also here only I'm doing. And I got it already we have done here. It is minus 2y. That is minus 2y means minus 2x plus 3. Now I can move on for this one. I want to replace at the point z comma 0. अधूरा हो जाता पूरा चैप्टर एक बार होना है z0. So we get minus 2z plus 3 here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Construction part f of z is equal to
F of z is equal to integral upon c dou u by dou x z comma 0 dz plus minus I integral upon c dou u by dou y z comma 0 dz plus c.
So now plug in again. This is f of z is equal to what happened here is with respect to x, we get it integral over c 2z minus 2 dz. What's your answer here? Z integration z square by 2 means z square, and minus 2 with respect to z means minus 2z plus arbitrary constant. This is our f of z. So I can take this f of z and I can find out the complex variable function. Okay. Let me take a margin of this again. So if this is f of z, if this is our f of z, our f of z is this one, z square minus 2z. Don't take c value, okay? So this is f of z is equal to z value. We know that it is a complex number x plus iy whole square minus 2 into again x plus iy. So I can multiply this one a square b square. B square value is minus y square here. 2ab means plus 2i xy minus 2x minus 2i y. Again, what to do here is we have to separate the real and imaginary parts. अच्छा यहाँ पर कुछ गलत करे क्या? अरे सॉरी सॉरी कुछ बड़ी मिस्टेक हो गई. आप देखे भी नहीं, मैं भी देखा है. यू पार्ट में 0 नहीं है ना जी? है क्या? तो भी 0 देखो.
हाँ,
यू पार्ट में
u
0 है.
part में 0 नहीं.
तो हाउ इट इज दैट पॉसिबल? अधूरा ही करे. Minus I into integral over c.
Integral upon c 0
This
आता है.
value is with respect to y is minus 2z plus 3 into dz also we get. This is equal to, now we can integrate. It is z square. It is minus 2z. It is minus I into Z square integration is Z square by 2 matlab minus Z square we get it here. And here we get it 3Z. And then only we can say that plus arbitrary constant will be added. This is our f of z. I can take this f of z and now we can move on for that. Okay. Next step will be, I think, this come space mein nahi aayega. I'll go to the next page.
Yes, sir.
You have to observe. अभी देखना है. मैं ही देखा तो कैसा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at that. I will write this step again. Z square minus 2z. F of z is equal to
Z square minus 2Z minus I
z square minus 2z
bracket minus I
is
bracket
minus
minus Z
plus
square
plus I z square minus 3 iz.
Z
Okay,
square
minus 3 I and z. This is our f of z. Let us open it. Z value is nothing but x plus iy. Square will come as it is. Minus 2 into z value is again x plus iy plus I into z square means x plus iy whole square minus 3i into z means x plus iy. If you see, if I am expanding this one, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Again, minus 2x minus 2iy plus I into a square plus b square plus 2ab. And then again, minus 3ix and I square value. If you multiply these two, we get I square value, which is minus 1 plus 3y. It is also equal to x square as it is minus y square as it is plus 2ixy minus 2x minus 2iy plus I x square minus I y square. Now here there is a logic. I into I square, which is minus 1 minus 2xy minus 3ix plus 3y. It is our f of z. अब यहाँ पर लिखेंगे, अब लिख के करेंगे, आपको अच्छे से समझ में आता. Separating real and
imaginary part.
Imaginary terms. कितने फाइल लिखे पूरे? नहीं, वो तो मत करो स्टार्ट. वेट फॉर सम टाइम. क्योंकि आपको स्टार्ट करेंगे ना, नहीं बताओ. f of z is equal to, tell me what are the real parts. This is your real part.
X square minus y square
Minus y square.
minus
Just
2x
take it here and take it. And here minus 2x
minus 2xy
minus 2xy. Anything else? Yes, it is plus 3y.
9 3y
Plus take it I common. And then write down remaining terms 2xy. Here I common means minus 2y. And here I common means plus x square. Here I common means minus y square. I common means minus 3x. Now look at that verification is, ये आपका क्वेश्चन है क्या देखना आप. This is actually u and this is our complex conjugate v. ये आपका क्वेश्चन है. Look at that previous पेज में जाके देखिए. x square minus y square
Yes,
minus
sir.
2xy minus 2x plus 3y.
2xy minus 2x plus 3y. हाँ,
Again
क्वेश्चन है ये
complex
हमारा.
conjugate. Therefore
Yes.
complex conjugate is 2xy minus 2y plus x square minus y square. अब ऑर्डर में भी लिख सकते हो उसको, minus 3x. And your verification, if you take this one as v and apply the construction process, again finally you get your f of z is this only. We have done, मैं करा भी है, करके आप देख लीजिए, आपको आता है ये भी. So this is one of the verification.
हाँ, ये
क्रॉस वेरीफाई भी आप करना है तो कर सकते हैं. ये आपका टॉपिक अगर आप क्लियर हो गया अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन वाला पार्ट, then I can move on further question, that is which one. अब अपन कर सकते हैं what is singular point, what is Cauchy's theorem, what is Cauchy's integral formula, what is residue theorem and how to apply that part. Now we can move on. अब वो जा सकते हैं आप, ये पूरा क्लियर है तो कंस्ट्रक्शन करने आया तो उधर जा सकते हैं.
yes, sir.
That clear for you now?
Yes, sir. Clear है पूरा.
Okay. फिर बंद कर देंगे, स्टॉप कर देंगे डिस्कशन अपना. ओके स्टॉप एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए मूव.
सर, मेरे
हाँ,
को एक बात पूछना था. अपन ये वेरीफाई कहीं को करते हैं एफ ऑफ जेड को?
वो अपने सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए करते हैं.
बस इतना ही
But
है.
satisfaction that we have done everything is correct.
ओके.
सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्शन. और हर एक फैकल्टी का
Okay,
अपना खुद का ओन टीचिंग स्टाइल है ना, अलग अलग वे में पढ़ाते हैं ना. ऐसा टेक्स्ट बुक में ये सब चीजें इतना
Okay.
क्लियरली नहीं है आपके पास.
नहीं नहीं है, बहुत वो है, एकदम टिपिकल अलग ही तरीके का है.
नेक्स्ट क्लास विल बी Cauchy's theorem and Cauchy's integral formula and Cauchy's integral theorem. वो जो भी है नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसका डिस्कशन होगा. ओके, लेट्स स्टॉप डिस्कसिंग
Yes,
दिस
sir.
प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, thank you, sir.